Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm honestly surprised I can still talk. I should probably talk a little quieter, huh? My constant desire to scream is preventing me from posting good ASMR. Anyways, let's take her off. Only one way to go. Oh my god. I ruined my lashes for this. It was all worth it though. Gotta take the rest of this off and it better not stain my face. I took a shower and my skin isn't stained. I am cold though. If you're curious about what products I use, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. Have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, baby, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with latex for so long it feels weird. Oh boy, a nice long one here. Come on! Oh, there we go. I was trying so hard to not get this into my eyebrows. Nice. Oh. But that's not it. We got these ones too. Ah! Boom. That's it. Now I need to go wash my face. All clean now. I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube, so feel free to check it out. Have a great day, you guys! Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Now for the fun stuff. Oop. This took way too long to put on. God, how do I take this off? Come on. I don't think there's a satisfying way for me to take these things off. Like, They're all off. I'm gonna go wash my face now. Damn, who is she? This look is a part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, and this was Pride. I have no idea why everyone keeps commenting the anime. I have never watched the anime. I don't know what it is. The sins are from the Bible. But either way, the full tutorial will be on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the third part to my Zodiac series, and this is Aquarius. I was going for a bit of that drowned mermaid look with all the barnacles on my face. Hope you like it. But I can't stay on my face for that long, so we gotta take it off. Bye-bye, barnacle boy. Ooh. Damn, my skin is red. Ooh. Who's this? Not me. Ooh. Bye-bye. Like that. The saddest part is always taking the lashes off though. No more contacts. Gotta clean my face. My eyes are stained blue. Oh well, let's take the hair out. Wow, my hair is not purple anymore. Just kidding, it's purple. And that's it. And as always, I will post the tutorial and all the products I used on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. This is Taurus, and she got her horns ripped off. Ah, snatch the weave. As much as I like this, it needs to go. This baby one too. And now for the latex. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I'm really bad at this. I swear, every time I wear a black wig, it makes me want to dye my hair black. Ooh, almost forgot the falsies. Boop. These contacts make me look so evil, but I need to take them out. And just like that, I'm back to my normal self. Have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the second part to my Zodiac series, and this is Sagittarius. Did I say that right? I did not say that right. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Oh, that didn't go as expected. Let's do that again. Okay, better. There we go. Nice. There we go. And the last one. Oh, that one's in my hair, but I do be like that sometimes. I got this though. Come on. It's out. Gotta take the rest of this off. And that is all. And as always, the tutorial and all the products I used will be in my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Alright, you guys, it's time to take this off again, and I really don't want to because I really like this look. Send help. I'm living for the rhinestone lips, though. Can I take them off all at once? No. You know, I was hoping at least the removal would be satisfying, but no, there's no redemption for this look. I almost ate a rhinestone. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, you make fashion. And eat rhinestones, apparently. I'm gonna cry. Okay, no kidding though, I had this wig on for literally the whole day and I don't remember what my natural hair looks like. I am really not happy about this, not happy at all, but oh well. I literally look like a clown right now. Who knew there was such a thin line between the runway and the circus? I am no longer high fashion, let's take off the wig. Oh boy. It's stuck. It's a sign, I don't need to take it off. It's so funny though, I hated the wig when I put it on, and then I fell in love with it. Okay, I low-key forgot how good my hair looks. Dun dun dun. Everyone's sleeping, so I have to speak really quietly, but either way, guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Honestly though, I'm living my best life right now. Now most of it is already, like, coming off, but I'll still take it off, because it's fun. There we go. And that's all there is. Look at how cute she is. Not really, I'm throwing this out. The fake blood I use is really sweet, so it literally tastes like strawberries. It will take me like 10 makeup wipes to take this off, so I'm gonna go wash this off. I'll be right back. Yummy. Bye-bye, lashes. Have a good day, y'all. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, ah. And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. My whole family's asleep because it's like 2 a.m. right now, so I'm trying to be quiet. Oh my god, I can finally see. I do like whatever it is I did to my hand here, but it's very inconvenient. Let's take it off. Nice. This makeup was so much fun to do, but oh, it took so long. Let's keep going. Ow, ow, ow. My hair is in there. It's fine, I have too much hair anyways. This entire side of my face is covered with latex, so wish me luck. I can't really move my mouth, so let's just start here. It's okay, I got this, I got this. On the good side, it's mostly gone now. And thankfully now it's just the easy part left. Nightmare fuel. And honestly, I'm not even gonna try to wash this off, I'm just gonna go shower. It's the next morning and I'm all clean now. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. Ah, how did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. 'Tis time to take this off again. Now, is this a good makeup? No. You can see I did not blend anything. I'm sorry. From far away, maybe. Yeah, I can see that. Or can I? I can't see. My mom has seen every single one of my looks, and now she thinks I need therapy. And to be honest, I probably do. I changed the lights to help me see, but it didn't help. Ow. That kind of helps me see, though. Ouch. This may be satisfying to you guys. I don't know if I can say that for myself, though. So I think this one got a little bit of my eyebrow. Like right at the end, right here. I'll be fine. They're gonna grow back. Ooh. There's literally cotton in my eye. Boop. Be right back. Good to go. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So, like, if any zombie movies need, like, a zombie, y'all know who to call. I, like, do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Ah! Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. All right, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want, no pressure.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't.
Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I will speak quietly because it's currently midnight and everyone is asleep. I still can't talk. What's new? And guess what, you guys? I started a YouTube channel and I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube. Boom. The link will be on my profile. Now for some good stuff. Let's get to it. Yes. That's nice. Let's take this monstrosity off. Not gonna lie, but monstrosity is a hard word to say. Have a great day, you guys.